Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today I am here with the thematic workbook Summer Holidays theme 3. Let's open page number 29. On page number 29 we have a letter U, A. U, A. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and look at the letter carefully. Letter, capital letter is written in between 3 lines and small in between 2 lines. So first of all, what will we do? We'll mention date at the top of the page. After mentioning date 13/7/2021, we'll come to the letter. So as ma'am already told you, capital letter will write in between 3 lines and small in between 2 lines. Start from the top, come down, make a turn, go up and touch the top line. U, A. Likewise, start from the second line, come down till third line, make a turn, go up, come down again. U, A. Here we have related pictures starting from A, upside down, umbrella, uncle, upside down, umbrella and uncle. What will we do? We'll color these pictures. So after coloring pictures, let's come to the tracing part. Here we have capital letter to trace. How will we do this? We'll write capital letter in between 3 lines. Start from the top, come down, turn, go up again. U, A. Start from the top till third line, turn, go up. Start from the top, turn, go up. Again start from the top, turn and go up. U, A. Likewise we'll trace rest of the lines. Now turn the page. Let's come to the page number 30. Here we have small letter. So let's write small letter in between 2 lines. Come down, turn, go up and a vertical line. U, A. Start, turn, go up, come down. A. Come down, go up and come down. A. Start, come down, go up, come down. A. Again come down, go up and come down. A. Likewise trace rest of the lines. Follow this formation and trace the full page for your practice. After that we'll move to the independent writing. In independent writing we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. We are going to start from the top, come down, turn and go up. U, A. Likewise small letter, look at the small letter carefully. We'll write small letter in between 2 lines. Start from the second line, come down, turn, go up and come down. U, A. Okay, watch this video carefully and do page number 29 and 30. We'll meet in next video. Till the time, take care and bye bye.